Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bagaskara Wijayakusuma Putra Dwipa, and now I want to represent about analogical induction. Analogical induction is a kind of argument that used for argue inductively for a conclusion. Analogical induction is used for argue with comparing the similar things that we can see all around us by knowing the objects deeply. Meanwhile, what is the literal meaning of analogy itself? Analogy is a comparison of two or more things alike in specific respects. So, analogical induction is arguing with comparing two or more things with an analogy. So, it will be a strong improvement. It comes with several forms of criteria, including the number of similarities between things that have to be compared, diversities among the cases, and the number of similarities or differences, and the number of relevant differences. Meanwhile, there are some theories that have been developed by an English philosopher named John Stuart Mill. Mill have developed some theories for analogical induction. The first one is called a modified version of Mill's method of agreement, which says that if two or more occurrences of phenomenon have only one relevant factor in common, where the factor itself must be the cause. The next one is modified version of joint method of agreement and difference, while this is for applying with the previous method simultaneously. The next one is the procedure that generally increases the probability that the conclusion is obviously true. Meanwhile, the last one is called the method of concomitant variation. To make an analogical induction keep strong and proved, we have to include the causal argument. The causal argument is the most primary thing that have to be included to create an analogical induction. It means a causal argument is an inductive argument with a causal assertion at its conclusion. To examine causal relationships, different inductive reasoning techniques are used. The methods of agreement, difference, and agreement and difference, as well as the method of concomitant variation, are all among them. Then, the cause and effect thinking mistakes are prevalent because cause and effect are the main idea of every argument. Because whereas there are a lot of a small cause can create a big impact or a big effect, because sometimes a big cause will not cause a big cause will not cause a big effect if it accomplished by the analogical induction. That's why cause and effect is very prevalent. Then they include misidentifying relevant components in causal process, overlooking relevant factors, mistaking cause with coincidence, mixing up cause and effect, and misunderstanding cause with chronological order. That's why they often includes some factors with chronological order, because sometimes they can observe why the occasion is happened, while the event is being occurred. That's why the causal argument is very needed for creating an analogical induction. Okay, that's all that can I share for you guys about analogical induction. Thank you very much. See you later.